how can something that doesn't exist help you keep your erection firm? Well, that's what I want to talk about today. So, if it doesn't exist, does that mean it's free? Well, yes, it does. But does it really help? Again, yes, it does. Okay, so is it magic? No, it's not magic. Well, will my doctor tell me about it? Probably not. Well, why not? Well, one reason's because there's no money in it, and because all of his training tells him that you need to take pills. Now, don't misunderstand me. There are some things that require that you take medication, and I'm not telling you to stop taking anything that your doctor prescribed. But you already know that sometimes medication alone doesn't always work. So let's get back to this thing that doesn't exist. I know what you're thinking. Well, if this thing, whatever it is, doesn't exist, how can it possibly help me? It comes down to these three things. And these three things have an impact on your erection and your sex drive. The first thing, it's about what you think. So if you're thinking that your sex life is pretty much over, well, you might be right. Now, if you think that this is just what happens when you get older, again, you might be right. But there's good news. You can change what you think, and I can help you with that. Now, the second thing is what you believe. See, these are thoughts that have turned into patterns in your life. These beliefs, they might take a little bit longer, but they can change too, and I can help you with that too. Now, the third thing, that's what does all of the work. Training your mind and your body to act differently. That is where the program that I developed excels. Now, I know that sounds like a lot of promises. So I want you to try something to prove my point. There's a lot of research that backs all of this up, but you don't need the research. What you need is to see it in your own life. See, I know that I had to see that before I could believe it, so I figure that you probably need to see it too. Let's try it right now. I want you to find a place and sit down. Close your eyes. Now, in your mind, I want you to see your body sitting there. I want you to see yourself sitting there with your eyes closed. Now, feel your muscles relaxing. Your breath is getting slower and steady. Feel your heartbeat slowing down. Now, I want you to tell me, did you feel your body relaxing? See, doing that is totally free, and it doesn't cost you anything, and it does work. See, a calm body truly helps with getting an erection. Now, imagine doing that with someone walking you through it step by step, but they're walking you through doing several things that are specifically designed to increase your sex drive and to give you firmer erections. Now, if that's what you're looking for, there's a link below this video. I want you to click on the link, and then let's get started on your road to recovery. And I'll be on the other end of that link just waiting for you.